Hello everyone and welcome back to another Scratch tutorial. In this video, I'll be teaching you guys how can you make your gravity script on Scratch. Something like this. Yep. Yeah, so let's get started. Hello everyone and welcome back to another Scratch tutorial. I'm Shawin tutorial here, and today I'm just going to teach you guys how can you make your own gravity script on Scratch. So let's get started with the video. So yeah, let's go ahead and start off with new sprite, and then let's name this platform. Then we're just gonna make a simple platform that everybody can do, even if you don't have art skills. Art skills. Okay, so there we go. Now we got we got this platform. Let's go ahead and go to sprite one, go to code, and then when flags clicked, show, and then we'll make a button for jumping. Let's go ahead and over here, go to motion, change y by, I'm just gonna use 100 for now. Then we're just gonna use repeat until touching the platform. So you can you can push this character right over here into a platform. So there we go. Just -5, I think it's cool. There we go. Now you got it. But right now, I don't think it's smooth now, in my opinion. So let's go ahead and fix it a little bit. So let's use the platformer method. So let's name this X and Y we. There we go. Okay, and then let's show this for now. And then we can say change YV by -1, and then change YV by YV to smooth it. Go ahead right over here and change y by, let's multiply by 0.5. Let's do that. Now you got this. So if you think it's a little fast right over here, actually right now, guys, I mean the y we are stand for y velocity actually is so fast now that look at the cat. What? So look at the cat. So it's gonna say set. I know we need if touching platform sets y velocity to 0, then you got this. There we go. That's better. So let's do the jump too. So jump, we just gonna say sets yv to 14, and then multiplies by 0.9 yv. I think it would work well. Let's see. Oh yeah, it worked well. But you make it higher. There you go. It worked well. So the gravity and the jump actually work pretty good now. That's it with today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you do, make sure to press the like button and subscribe. Turn notifications on so you never miss a video that I post. Thanks again for watching. And join my Discord server if you have any questions or you just want to talk with me. Peace. After my silver soul